Hello students, how are you all? I hope that all of you are fine and studying at your home. Student, this is Amit Tripathi, your maths teacher. In previous videos, we have discussed about introduction part of chapter 6, that lines and angles. Today we are going to study few questions of exercise 6.1. Okay, first question I have written over here. Let us read it out. This is question number 1. In figure, the figure I have drawn over here, line AB and line CD. There are two lines AB and second one is CD. They intersect at O. Okay. If angle AOC plus angle BOE, that is angle AOC, let us mark it as angle X, and angle BOE, let us mark it as Y. Okay. The angle AOX plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree and angle BOD is equal to 40. What is angle BOD? This one is angle BOD. Okay. Angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. Now we have to find angle BOE. We have to find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. Okay. So let what we have taken here, let angle AOC is equal to X. Okay. And what we have taken another angle, we have taken BOE as Y. Okay. Just we have taken it, so have written say. Let us assume. Okay. Here what we see that also we have been given that angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. Okay. Now here we can see that angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Okay. The angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Why? What's the reason? The reason between them is that both are related as what property? They are vertically opposite angles, and so both are equal. So I can say that AOC, angle AOC is equal to angle BOD equal to 40 degree angle. Okay, now we have been given that angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree. Okay, let us put it out. Angle OEC is equal to 40 degree. Okay, angle BOE is equal to, we have taken as Y. Just for sake of simplicity, if you don't want to take it as any value, you don't need to, just write the angle name. Okay, we don't need to write the angle name again and again, that's why I have taken it. Okay, now what's the value of Y? Okay, for solving the Y, we have to transfer 40 degree angle on the other side. 70 minus 40, that is 30 degree. And what is Y? We have taken angle BOE as Y. So angle BOE is equal to 30 degree. Okay. Now what we need to find, another one is reflex angle COE. Okay. We need to find reflex angle COE. Okay. Let us see what is reflex angle COE. Reflex, when we talk about reflex COE, okay, when we talk about reflex COE, what we are getting, okay, what we need, what is the sum of angle we need? We need angle COD plus, we need from this one, let us see, this up to this is reflex COE. So we need angle COD whole plus angle DOB या BOD and plus angle BOE. We need all these three angles sum. Okay, now we can see that angle COD. COD is a line, CD is a line, so its angle value is 180. Now what is angle BOD? Angle BOD is 40 degree. So just write it as okay. Now what is angle BOE? We have find out that angle BOE is equal to 30 degree. Now let us find out the sum. 180 plus 40, that is 220, and 220 plus 30, that is 250. 250. Okay, let us read out the question number second. In figure, line XY and MN intersect at O. We have seen that XY and MN are two lines that are intersecting at O, and if angle POY is equal to 90 degree, that angle POY is 90 degree angle. Okay, and A is to B. Ratio of A and B is 2:3. The angle A and angle B are in the ratio 2:3, and we have to find the angle C. Okay, so let us again write out what we have been given here and what we need to find. Angle POY equal to 90. This is given. Okay, now again A is to B is equal to 2:3. So we can let angle A is equal to 2x and angle B is equal to 3y. Okay, we have taken it as okay because their proportion is 2:3. It is also given. And what we need to find? We need to find angle C. This is what? Total question. Okay, here we see that angle XOY is equal to 180 degree. The whole angle on XOY is 180. Why? Because XY is a line. Okay, and we know that on a line the angle is 180. Okay, now angle XOY, when we take angle XOY we get three angles, angle A, angle B, and the third one is angle POY equal to 180. Now let us write the values of all the angles. Angle A, we have taken it as 2x. Angle angle B, that is we have taken it as, sorry, it is 3x. Okay, now again angle B is, that is 3x. Okay, and angle POY, what is angle POY? It is 90 degree, and that sums to 180. Okay, let's sum it up. 2x plus 3x, because both are like expression, we can add. Okay, 2x plus 3x, that is 5x, and 90 will be shifted to the right hand side, that is 90. Here 5x is equal to 90. So what is x? X is equal to 90 upon 5, that we get 5 under 5 and 40, 5 under 40, that is x is equal to 18. Now A is equal to angle 2x, that is 2 into x, and what is value of x? That is 18. So it is 36. Now what is B? B is 3x, that is 3 into 18, and 18 3 times, that is 54. We have found both the angles. Let us reach to the angle C. Okay, now we know that angle MON. What is angle MON? Is equal to 180 degree, because MN is a line. we can also write here MN is a line. Okay. Let us expand MON. Angle MON constitute of two angles, angle B and angle C. So write B plus C equal to 180 degree of angle B and angle C. What is angle B? We have find angle B as 54 degree and we don't know the value of angle C. Okay, solve it out. What will be angle C? Angle C will be 180 and 54 will be shifted to other side. That is 180 minus 54. What it is? It is 54, that is 60 and it will be 126. So angle C is 126. Let us see question number 3rd. In figure, angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. This is the figure given over here. But what is angle PQR? PQR. This is the angle PQR. And the other angle PRQ. PRQ. This angle. Both are equal. And now then we have to prove that angle PQS. PQS. This one. And angle PRT. PRT. Both are equal. We have to prove this. Okay. Let us write it out what we are having. What we have been given. Okay. It is given. Let us say value of both is x. Okay. Because we have given that both are equal. Let them to be equal to angle x. Okay. Let us see that angle PQR plus angle PQS is equal to 180 degree. Okay. And what's the reason? Reason is both are linear pair. Again, we can see that angle PRQ plus angle PRT both sums to 180 degree, and again the reason is that both are linear pair. As you know that both are equal to 180 degree, so we can write from 1 and 2. Because both are equal to 180, so we can write PQR plus angle PQS is equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRT. Okay. Just put the value of angle PQR. What is angle PQR? It is equal to x. Okay. PQS. Again, let us put the value of PRQ angle, that is x. What we have taken? PRT. Here we can see that x is on both the sides. We can cancel it out. Okay. Now, after cancelling, what we are left with? We are left with the answer, that is angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. And this is what we needed. So we can write hence proved. Okay. In this video we have discussed 3 questions of exercise 6.1. We will meet you with the remaining questions in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.